ICB is a great fit for the role as consortium lead for the Lean Sigma Manager Apprenticeship. The apprenticeship gives the students the confidence and the drive to excel within their organisations and to really become leaders. And as well as all of that, they graduate with a Master Black Belt in Lean Six Sigma.
It was broken into 2 very structured years, one being Six Sigma and the other Lean, which helped separate the tools that you'd apply to the various projects you might encounter on a day-to-day basis. Benefit certainly was that you were learning in practice, so you could apply the tools to a project that you were doing in real time. It didn't really feel like you were your study and your work was completely separate. Anything that you learned in your day-to-day studying life, you could then apply to your work life and then reap the rewards and the benefits. And we saw substantial savings on the back of some of the projects that we implemented.
Yeah, qualifying as a Lean Sigma manager has really helped my career. After doing this program, I found that my technical ability come up, also my leadership abilities had increased dramatically as well. And all of that has really landed me where I am now in a senior leadership role within Luminate Medical.
I think Lean Six Sigma is suitable for all industries, not just manufacturing. Processes are processes, and with all processes, they can be streamlined and made more efficient. And the Lean tools and Six Sigma tools can be applied to all of those processes.
Going back to academia was a huge thing for me, and I was in the market looking at suitable programs, and I suppose I did a lot of research. If you're looking for something that can develop your leadership, your problem-solving skills, your strategic thinking, this is something that I would suggest anyone considers.